Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and my website, which you can find in the description box below this video, is makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now today I am going to be looking at a product called Storm. Now Storm is brought to you by Venkata Ramana, and he is a very successful affiliate marketer and a software developer. So Storm is basically a product that combines blogging and also Pinterest to generate free traffic to basically get eyes on your affiliate marketing links and then make money. So today I'm going to show you the sales page for Storm. Then I'm going to go over to my bonus page, show you the bonuses that are available if you decide to pick up this product, Storm, through my link, which is the first link in the description box below the video. I also have, if you stick around to later in the video, I have access to the members dashboard for Storm, and then we can check out what Storm actually does. So let's take a look at the sales page now. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Storm, and it's telling us that it's a controversial breakthrough and it can pay $25 to $50 every 5 minutes for copying and pasting. And basically, if you want more profits, all you need to do is rinse and repeat. There is a video here which is on the sales page, basically walking you through what the this application does. It's a cloud-based software and a training as well. So you can have a look at this sales video yourself. All you need to do is click on my link in the description box, click on any of the buttons on my bonus page. You'll be brought up to this sales page and you can take a look at the claims for yourself. But basically what it's telling you is that you can get paid into your PayPal account. They've had beta testers using this product and they've made money. Venkata has used this product and he's made money. So basically it's on here and it's selling for $17. The launch actually, it goes live on the 7th of October, and the time, if I just check, the time for this one is 11 a.m. US Central Time. So that's when it goes live, on the 7th of October. So on this sales page, we do have testimonials further down the page. And it's basically saying, what can you do in 5 minutes if you could make $25 to $50 in 5 minutes? So here is like a short video here showing you how commissions are being paid within that short period of time. So it's basically a loophole that they're exploiting with the software inside of the product. It's actually basically building up a blog and then helping you to create pins for Pinterest. But what I would say is obviously to take a look at the sales page for yourself and then decide if it's something that you'd be interested in after you've checked out the rest of this review. So let's go and have a look at my bonus page and the bonuses that I have available to complement this product, Storm. So here we are on my bonus page, and as you can see, any of these green buttons here will take you through to the sales page for Storm. Let's see what Storm's all about. So basically, this is a web application, cloud-based, and it's compatible with Mac, a PC, and mobile. So basically, it's telling you it's impossible not to see results if you follow the instructions and go through that. Now, the prices for this product, it's starting at $17 on the front end. Now there's an upsell of one-time offer, $197, and then you've got That's upsell 2. Upsell 1 is $37. Upsell 2 is $197. Upsell 3 is $67. Upsell 4 is $147. Upsell 5 is $97. And upsell 6 is $197. Now, you can read through all the different descriptions, because obviously for each upsell there's a different thing involved. But obviously you've got Storm Reseller is upsell 6, which allows you to sell Storm and keep the commissions across the entire funnel. So that's something that you might want to decide on if you are an affiliate marketer. So here you go. My bonuses for Storm. The first one is a product that was built during lockdown by John Armstrong, and that product is lockdown formula. So you're going to get access to lockdown formula, and lockdown formula, like I say, was put together as an information product which also includes a software, and it is one of the easiest ways to get started making money online. And this was brought out, like I say, last year through lockdown by John Armstrong and his partner. So then we have bonus number 2, which is access to Jono's Mobily course. Now, Mobily was done, I think it was done in about 2018. It was a course built around some of the questions that were being asked by people. So wanting to make money online, didn't have laptops, wanted to know if they could follow a training for affiliate marketing by just using a mobile phone. So this actual information training course is basically how you can use a mobile phone to create videos, record your mobile screen and record your face. So this is what this product is telling you. It's a case study on how to use your mobile phone to generate commissions and do affiliate marketing. And then my third bonus for Storm is how to build a website for dummies. So basically it's going to show you a step-by-step process of how you build websites. Now, bonus number 4 is another fantastic product by Jono, and this is called Nova. Now, what Nova is all about is it's basically a traffic product. It works with TikTok. Now, TikTok is a huge, massive platform, so there's millions of people who use TikTok, and what it is doing is using that free traffic source and showing you how to benefit from this free traffic source. Now, so that is bonus number 4. And now you would still get access to all of the vendor bonuses. And when we look at the members dashboard, I will go and, show you exactly what the vendor bonuses are. So that is all of my bonuses for Storm. So let's go over and have a look at the members dashboard and see inside of the product. So here we are inside of here we are inside of Storm. And on the first page, you've got the VIP training over here to the left. And there's 2 videos here. So the first one is the demo of the product, which walks you through what to do, how you use Storm. And then there's another video, which is a second training. So if you click on that little arrow, it's going to take you to another video, video 1. So on the front end of Storm, what it actually tells you is that from down this side, you can see you've got Blog Builder, Pin Engine, your profile and upgrades, support, and how to log out. So in the video on the front end here, it tells you that through this Blog Builder, how you can use this Blog Builder software to generate a WordPress, a fully content WordPress website using this blog builder. It builds up this blog. You basically follow the instructions in the video, and what you can do then is use the pin engine to pin and make pins that you can put on a Pinterest account to drive further traffic to your fully done blog. And within, obviously, your blog, you can use affiliate links, promotions, and obviously that's how when you drive the traffic backwards and forwards between blogging and Pinterest, that you would be able to make commissions. So this is how it works, and the video in the front of here explains in great detail. It's only just over 5 minutes long, and it explains and shows you exactly how this product works. Now, underneath of the first video, you have the bonus products that are available from the vendor. So you've got Free Traffic Secrets, which is a download here. You've got 200 expensive Amazon products that you can make money from. Obviously, if you become an affiliate with Amazon, it's one of the things that lots of blogs actually use to monetize. So basically, if you're getting traffic to your blog, or you're driving traffic there every day, and you are monetizing with links to Amazon products, then this is what you would need to be doing. Then Social Media Traffic Secrets, which is another great bonus with this, showing you how you can use your social media to also drive traffic to your blog. And then this one here is finding hot, profitable niches like a pro. So if you haven't made a decision on which area or niche that you want to work in, this bonus product will help you out. So that is, in a nutshell, what Storm inside of the members dashboard and what Storm is all about. So basically it's all about between blogging and using Pinterest, and the pin engine basically can help you to create pins that you can post on Pinterest. So that's all I have about Storm. Now, if you like these review videos, please give me thumbs up, or if you don't like them, give me a thumbs down, and subscribe to the channel. If you hit the notification bell, then you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. So that's all for now. See you on the next review. Bye for now.